we have put another road, courtesy of you and the president, called Luili Isiolo Road. You know we were together when that road was being done. Now it has two routes. From Isiolo, it comes to Timau. Personally, I put up 5 police stations because I know our police organs, they need transport. I know they need to intercept. And that's why I'm so happy with our CS Interior, that he has agreed that we have one of the biggest control unit, hapa Kadhari. So we are waiting. So what am I saying? We want to be also involved. This called multi-agency. Sijui members of parliament wataingilia wapi. Kwa sababu gavana wetu ameongea amesema tutafanya wote, sijasikia akisema members of parliament. Hata sisi tuenkeni hapo, when you are dealing with this issue of alcoholism, call the members of parliament. Actually, we are the people with a lot of data. If you want to know the people with the data of who is who, ongea na members of parliament, ongea na senators, na MCA. Your Excellency, you get a lot of information. You know, I think I went to school kidogo. I would dispute some of the data that was presented by Nakanda. There's you can tell me cut at 9.6% and alcohol 9.3%. When I know I spend about 200,000 shillings on burial support program of youth and old men dying every day. I think Nakanda people also consult us. We will give you more information so that we can work together. Your Excellency, I haven't seen somebody from the forestry department. Those forests, even in my survey, we have KFS. They need all to be here because part of this bangi is coming through the forest. Part of this alcohol is also coming through the forest. For example, we have a connection between North Imenti and the Central Imenti. And that's one of the conduits. So I'm asking fellow members of parliament, we are not going to fight for any illicit businessman. I am lady, I was not born in parliament. But what I know, I have a moral responsibility of saving another person's kid. When my children are okay, and my other neighbors' children are not okay, then I'm not worthy to be called a member of parliament. So, Your Excellency, our CS, we are in this together, and I would wish that the members of parliament, when the issues of alcohol is being discussed, we are all involved, and we shall support, which we are all already we are doing, either as individuals or as leaders. We are ready to put money for support program. I am ready because I know what it has done to my family personally. So because of this family effect, I've seen it. Death, mtu anakuwa kabuti, tuko now. What other people are we supposed to protect? So as leaders, this calls now for a hard decision. And I don't think there is any member of parliament who is here who is ready to continue with the drunkards who are over like 50% of the community that we are reading. So good people, I will also challenge the ministry. Whenever we bring some people, we have no malice. I have no interest of having a chief or OCS being transferred or fired. I have no interest. But when I know there is an issue, when we come and bring this information freely, if a chief has been interdicted and the file is showing everything, as Rudishwa from end office, the DCC, they are left to answer questions. The CC, they are left to answer questions because the letters are coming from above. Let's not try to go that route again. We used to hear calls from above.